Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual person, living or dead or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice 7 story. If you are solo stan and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. You know what hurts more than harsh words? Silence from the ones you love the most. He stopped asking for support the day he realized his dream was only a joke to them. He never wanted much, just to feel seen, heard, and loved, but even that was too much. Behind his quiet nature was a boy screaming, begging for someone to say, I'm proud of you. 11K subscribers is special story. A boy was standing in the center of living room, eyes sparkling with excitement, holding a beautiful designed invitation card. T, hopeful and cheerful voice. Thanks, my first art exhibition is this Sunday at the City Gallery. I have worked so hard for this. See, showed them invitation card. Yungi, calm but firm voice. I have an investor meeting this Sunday. T, it's very important, so I can't come. Hobby, guilty voice. And I'm helping Cook with his choreography. His dance competition is on the same day. I have to go with him. T looked at Namjin with hopeful eyes. Thanks. Jin apologized. This Sunday, very important function is in hotel, so as a head chef, I have to be there. June, guilty. I'm also busy on this Sunday. I'm going out of station with my friends. T said, that means none of you will come for my art exhibition? June, T, be mature. You aren't a child anymore. You shouldn't make faces on small things. We are busy this Sunday. You are an adult now. Behave like an adult and understand our work. Left. June left from there. T was standing there with sad face. Suddenly a chaotic boy Cook came there while happily jumping like bunny. He was eating ice cream. Jin smiled. Here's our bunny came. Yungi, Cook, sit on the couch and eat the ice cream properly. Cook, I will eat by jumping. What will you do? Yungi looked at other boy who sat on the couch while hugging Homi. Jimin, why did you buy him ice cream? Don't you know he can't stay still? Now who will clean the mess? He is 20 but still haven't learned how to stay still. Cook, when will you grow up? Cook sticks his tongue out. Never. I will always be baby, grandpa. Jin, of course you will always be our baby. Hobie, yeah. Yungi Hang, I will clean the mess. Don't worry, let him enjoy. Yungi, yeah, spoil him. Left. Jimin looked at T. T, why are you standing? Come and sit. T, no, I'm fine. I'm going to my room. Jimin, T, I'm going to record my voice for animation movie. Wanna come? Cook, animation movie? I will come with you. Jimin, looked at him and smiled. You can't, Cookie, because it's on Sunday and you will be busy in your dance competition. T in mind. Oh, Jimin Hyang is also busy, means no one will come. T knew no one would come, but still he was waiting, thinking maybe any of them would come, but no one came. His all the fellow artist family member came to cheer, but his family wasn't there. He made himself understand that everyone was busy in their work. That's why they didn't come. Next time they would surely come. He came to home, but what he saw broke his heart. He saw everyone was celebrating Cook's victory. Cook was holding the trophy, and others were around him and clapping and singing congratulations song. Cook saw him and dragged him to other and forced him to clap for him, but he was hurt. He had no control over his emotions, so he angrily slashed the trophy and threw it on the floor and get everyone's attention. T screamed, "Enough! Stop the music!" Yoongi, mad. T, what's this behavior? Why did you throw Cook's trophy? T, same shouting tone. You all are celebrating his victory here. Do you remember today was my first art exhibition? None of you came. I was waiting for you there. Jimin, shocked. Art exhibition? T. Yes, art exhibition. First time my art was selected for the exhibition. It was the huge thing for me. Jin. T. First lower your voice. We all are elder than you. You can't talk with us in this tone. T. Why can't I? When you all can choose your favorite matinee and discriminate between us, then why can't I raise my voice? You all were busy for my art exhibition, but free for his dance competition. You all only love him, not me. You all always supported him. Pushed Jin. Hobie quickly held Jin. Hyang, are you alright? June angrily shouted. Hyang! Raised his hand to slap him. Yoongi quickly came in between and held his hand. June, behave yourself. Left his hand. It's not your classroom where you can hit your students. It's our house. T is our brother, not your student. You better be stay in your limits. June, haven't you seen him? Day by day, he is becoming more childish and jealous. Yoongi, I have seen everything. Hobie, June, calm down. We can talk calmly. No need to do this. And you, T, this isn't the way to talk. Say sorry to Hyang. T, I won't. June held T's arm and made him turn himself. We told you na that we all were busy. Hyang, be mature and understand our work. We don't have time to waste on your useless hobby. T, my hobby isn't useless. It's equally important and precious for me like your work is for you. Hobie, T, stop comparing yourself with Cookie. He is youngest. He needs our support more than you. You are all elder. You should understand. T, why would always I understand? Can't you understand me? Yoongi, T, don't argue and talk back. Stop overacting and being dramatic. You are 22 years old, not a baby. Now apologize to Hyang. T, I won't. June clenched his fist. T, don't test my patience and do what you are said to. Otherwise, I swear today no one can save you from me. T got scared and went to Jin. I'm sorry, Hyang. I shouldn't push you. Please forgive me. Jin, it's okay, T. Raised his hand to pat his head, but T already left. Jimin, T, about to follow him. Jungi held his hand. Leave him alone for some time. Jun sat on the couch and rubbed his temple. His trauma is increasing. By the time he's becoming more childish and insensitive. Time skipped after some times. T didn't come for dinner. He was sitting in his room, still hurt and feeling lonely. Jimin and Cook came to his room with his dinner and Cook's victory celebration cakes piece. T in mind, I wish they had supported me like cooking. Why can't I be enough for them? Jimin, T turned his face to the side. Hank, please leave me alone. I don't want to talk. Jimin, fine, don't talk, but at least have your dinner. You know, Junhyang made so many dishes. T, these all are for Cookie, not for me. Take it back, I'm not hungry. Jimin sat beside him and forcefully fed him a bite. Don't take out your anger on food. Yang made it all of us, not only for Cookie. And yeah, it was his victory celebration dinner, but it's for whole family. You are also the part of family. T. No, I'm not. If I was, then at least any of them visit the art exhibition. Jimin fed him another bite. Why didn't you tell me about your exhibition? T. You had the recording at the same day. You wouldn't come like others. Jimin, while feeding him, no, I would definitely come if you had informed me. I would do some changes in recording time like I did for Cookie. T. Really? You would come? Jimin. I would. From next time, don't hide it, and I promise I will try my best to come. T. Looked at Cook, who was standing there. Why are you standing here? Go and celebrate your victory. Cook. I came to celebrate my victory. Showed him plate of cake piece. T. What do I do for it? I don't want to eat it. Cook. No, it wasn't for you. It was for me. Everyone fed me cake except you. So I brought it here. Now feed me your share of piece. Opened his mouth. Ah. T looked at Jimin. Hang, see, he's teasing me. Cook. No, I'm not teasing. I'm serious. Feed me. T picked the piece and showed in his mouth. Have it and get lost from here. T pushed him on bed and climbed on him and showed another piece of cake in his mouth. This is for you, Titi Hangi. You don't know how to force Hang for coming. I promise next time will come for your art exhibition. But Hangs love me more, and you should also love me more. T flipped him. You bunny boy, don't you dare to tease me. I will break your bunny teeth. Cook. Jimin Yang, see, he is bullying Cookie. Jimin, don't fight again. T Cook started bickering and Jimin is stuck in between them, trying hard to stop them. Just sibling nature. Hanks was standing at the door frame and watching them with big smile, just like a perfect family, right? No, it's not the perfect family behavior. All the time, elders' voice shut down by the name of responsibilities, maturity, understanding, and love. Just like T's current voice calmed down by giving him fake assurance. Deep inside, T also knew that they would never come when his young support his dream. Because of them, it was just an useless hobby. Nothing else. Just a middle class family thinking. Time skipped after few months. Few months passed. Everything was same. Nothing changed except T. He became quiet and stopped complaining because he knew he didn't matter for his family. Even after so many promises to come for his art exhibition, next time he was left alone. He was tired of complaining. It felt like he was banging his head on the wall. Always his voice surprised in the name of maturity. Now he really became mature. He realized his place. He stopped bothering everyone. He stopped telling them about his art exhibition. Maturity doesn't mean to be fake and living like an emotionless person. It means to handle your emotions without letting them to take over your senses. Sacrifice by your will and forced to sacrifice two different things and hurts the most when you are forced to do the things in the name of responsibilities and being elder. It was evening time around 6 p.m. The house had settled into its usual rhythm, except this time something felt different. Jin frowning, checking the clock. Where's tea? It's already 6 o'clock. He left early in the morning. He didn't have his breakfast with us. Jimin worried. He hasn't replied to my messages since morning. He hasn't even seen them. Quietly, I called him, but he didn't pick my calls. Yungi, firm tone. Try again. Hobie, no use. I'm continuously trying to call him, but he isn't answering. Yungi. Yungi came there. Guys! Jin looked at him. What happened? Why does your face turn pale? Yungi. Yang, I called to T's art gallery's watchman and he told me that he hadn't gone there for the last few days. Hobie. What? Then where did he go? Yungi. Don't know. Jin. Why did you call to watchman? Call to his friends. Yungi. I don't have his friend's number. At this moment, they realized that none of them had T's friend's number. Panic began to crawl through their chest. They all started worrying for his safety. It never happened before. June, let's check to his room. Maybe we get some clue. Yungi, you and Hyang go and check in his room. Me and Hobie are going to his art gallery. And you, Jimin, and Cook turned around. Cookie? Jimin? Now where did they go? Jin, don't worry about them. They must have gone to search tea. Call Jimin and ask. We shouldn't late. It's already started getting dark. You two go fast and inform us as soon as you will get any clue. Yoongi and Hobie left from there and Namjin came to T's room. Jin accidentally dropped T's sketchbook and found the sketch of family where were 6 of them happily celebrating and T was standing alone. He checked other papers and found now T was on there was only 6 of them. T wasn't there. He found the next page. There was a girl's sketch who was sitting under the moonlight. Jin showed it to June. Note, this sketch is made by me. One day I was just sitting and didn't feel anything to write, so I made it. It fit in this scenario, so I added here. Jin, June, look at this. June looked at him. Yang, have you found anything? Jin, no, just look at this sketch. It's so beautiful and mesmerizing. June looked at the sketch. It's so beautiful. Jin looked at his frowned eyebrows. What happened? Why are you making this type of face? Didn't you like this sketch? June, no, Hang, sketch is beautiful and deep meaning. Jin looked at the sketch. Deep meaning? But what? June, Hyang, look closely. It has so many scars. There is a tear but a smile on lips. This sketch is showing by outside any person can look happy, but when we closely observe, then we understand these scars, pain behind their beautiful smile. Something struck. T. It's T. Hang. He represented himself. Jin. But why did he draw himself as girl? June. Because men can't cry. Cry made them weak. T isn't well. We have to find him as soon as possible. With that, they both again started searching the clue. June found T's mobile and a form from his cupboard. They found it was foreign university form. That means he was planning to leave them for forever. Guilt rushed for leaving T alone and unattended, but it was too late. Meanwhile, with T, the art gallery was buzzing, spotlights danced over canvas, artists smiled for photos, families gathered in tight embrace, laughter floating in the air like confetti. Photographer, cheerful. Next, Mr. Kim Taeyang, your turn with your family. Please come. T stepped forward alone. I'm ready. Posed with big fake smile. Photographer, sir, please call your family. T smiled sadly. I don't have, it's just me. Photographer, in mind, this much big event, but he is all alone. Photographer was about to click the pic. Just then he felt two hands on his shoulders. He looked at them and got shocked. Jin softly, you do have a family, Mr. Kim Taeyang. You have 5 Hangs and 1 Maknae. Just look around yourself. T looked around himself and his eyes filled with tears. You? Yungi to photographer. Can you give us few minutes? Photographer. Sure, I will take others artist pic. Yungi bored. Thank you. They dragged T at the corner after checking the CCTV wouldn't capture them. T looked at others and looked down. June whispered, how dare you to say that you don't have family? What are we to you, aliens? T bit his lower lip so pulled in a hug. Jimin hugged him tightly. We are sorry, T. Yungi hugged them. You waited for us and we never showed up. Hobie hugged them. But now we are here. If you will let us be. Cook joined in hug. How dare you to think to leave us for forever? T. How do you? Jin, we saw the foreign university's form. June, and already tore it. You aren't going anywhere. Whatever you want to do, do here. You aren't allowed to leave us. Yungi, why didn't you tell us about your exhibition? T, cracked voice. I thought you won't come like as always. Today is the last day of exhibition. Jin, we are sorry, T, for not attending your exhibition and show our support. We made you feel lonely. We never paid attention on you until we didn't find you at home. You don't know how do we feel. We thought we lost you for forever. T cracked voice. I never want anything except your support. I just want you all support my passion like you do to others. I promise I won't disappoint you. I just want to be enough for you. Yungi patted his head. You are enough for us. We will try to support your dream and be there to cheer you. Cook. Didi Angi, You are so bad. This much big events and so many photographers are here, but I am not looking good. I hate you. You didn't let me get ready. What will they think about me? T smiled a little. You are still looking good. Next time I will give you proper time to get ready. T happily showed them his paintings. They didn't understand but tried to learn. T happily introduced them with his fellow artists and organizers. Photographer clicked their family photographs. T's paintings couldn't won, but he wasn't sad because today he got the best thing, his family. The thing which he was dying to hear, finally he heard. Everyone, we are so proud of you, T. Happy birthday, Nikki. May you will get all the love, happiness, attention, and care. Your life fulfilled with peace, positivity, prosperity, health, and love. Be happy. Nothing is more precious than your smile. Please wish her and make her this birthday the most memorable with your warm wishes. Let's make her cry in happiness. Sometimes the quietest one don't need attention, they need appreciation. Not all the dreams are loud, some are drawn in silence, hoping to be seen. Support isn't about who needs you the most, it's about showing up when it matters the most. Even the strongest heart needs reassurance that they matter because in a family, no one should ever feel invisible and left alone. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was 11k subscribers special story. Thank you so much for 11k subscribers. It took me 6 months to complete just 1k subscribers. I was badly waiting for it. This video is for the girl who thinks she is alone and unloved. You aren't alone, Nikki. I'm with you and always be with you. May not be physically, but emotionally be there. Whenever you feel lonely and worthless, just remember this video. I gave you my 11k subscriber special video. Think how much special you are for me. They loves you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.